Setting a timer for the Do Not Disturb feature on the Galaxy S24 allows you to silence notifications for a specific period, after which the feature will automatically turn off, helping you manage your digital well-being without needing to remember to disable the feature manually. Here's how it's done. Start by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the settings icon. Next, scroll down and select Notifications. Following this, select Do Not Disturb. Then select For How Long. In this tab, you have the option to choose Until I Turn It Off, or set a specific duration such as 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours. Use the minus or plus button to decrease or increase the duration as per your preference. For instance, if you want to set it for 2 hours, tap on OK. Now, if you enable Do Not Disturb, it will remain active until the specified time. For example, if it's 2:40 now and you've set it for 2 hours, Do Not Disturb will stay on until 4:40 and then automatically switch off. Another option is Ask Every Time. With this option, when you enable Do Not Disturb, a pop-up will appear asking you when you want to turn off the Do Not Disturb feature. And that's how you can set a duration for Do Not Disturb on a Samsung Galaxy S24 before it automatically switches off. Finally, press the home button to navigate back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.